And shifting, more than 500,000 Cubans, Nicaraguans, Haitians and Venezuelans to temporarily live and work in the United States while a legal battle over the effort to end the legal protections proceeds. The parole program known as the CHNV temporarily protected roughly 532,000 people from the risk of deportation, and 2 justices dissented to the Supreme Court ruling. But this is a huge booster for Donald Trump and his anti-immigration agenda. To decode this further, I'm joined by my colleague Siddhant Mishra on the broadcast. So Siddhant, this puts in limbo the legal status of 500,000 migrants from Latin America. This is a huge jolt to the Democrat agenda to protect these migrants in the United States. But for Trump, it's a massive win from the Supreme Court.
Well, absolutely, Ayushman. In fact, this is a big boost to President Trump. And we have been seeing in last 1 week, the decisions by the court that have been filed against Trump administration were not, have been in favor of him. But this is a big boost indeed. Now, the U.S. Supreme Court on Friday let President Donald Trump's administration revoke humanitarian parole protections of more than 5 lakh migrants from Cuba, Haiti, Venezuela. In fact, the parole allowed entry into the U.S. for 2 years for up to 30,000 migrants per month from the 4 countries, which have grim human rights record. In fact, as you rightly said, President Donald Trump promised on the campaign trail to deport millions of people, and in office has sought to dismantle Biden administration policies that created days. In fact, this was a poll promise, kind of a poll promise that President Trump made in the run-up to the elections for migrants to live legally in the U.S. Trump amplifies false rumors that Haitian immigrants in Ohio, including those with legal status under the humanitarian parole program, were abducting during a debate with Joe Biden. Perhaps that went viral, if you remember. So now it's a big boost from the court, and in fact, his administration has been fighting this legal battle from a long time, and now this ruling has come from the Supreme Court.
Right.
And it means that the protections will not be in place while the case proceeds. Now returns to the first U.S. Circuit Court of Appeal in Boston.
Right, but at the same time, this will also give a legal green light also to ICE to carry out these deportations if they deem fit. So,
Network 18 decimates Times Internet with over 6 times more unique users on social media. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks.